Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, man.
How was your day so far?
Yeah, my day is as usual. Nothing special, man.
Okay. And what is the
Yeah,
plan for today?
yeah. No specific plan. Just as usual, study.
Okay. I mean, only study?
Yeah, only study.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
I think evening I have some um, other works, not works. Go with go to ground with my friends, playing cricket.
Okay, okay, in evening. Yeah, and that's important because throughout the day, if you're going to do a study, so in evening time, you have to keep relaxed. You have to be relax your mind and body, right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And how everything is going on, your studies?
Yeah, it's going good, ma'am. But still struggling to speaking this language.
Okay.
Yeah,
Um,
because
that's
sometimes I miss consistency. So beginners face this problem is commonly. Sometimes words cannot come from mind. Sometimes struck.
mm-hmm.
So
Okay,
we
because you
need.
are
Yeah,
not connecting on daily basis, is it? You're not doing
yeah,
your
yeah.
speaking.
Yeah, I am doing, ma'am. But last 2 3 days, I go to some other places, and that's why not uh, continue this process.
Hmm. Okay, okay. No, so it's okay because sometimes if we have unavoidable work that we have to do anyhow, then it's okay. We have to skip sometime our study and this speaking. But rest of the time, hope you should be consistent, right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. And
And
so
another one is lack of environment with surrounding, with friends. We not used to speak this language. Just we use common our mother tongue with communicate with others.
hmm, exactly. It's happened. So because as you have these applications, you can definitely connect. You can definitely find co-learners to you.
Yes, ma'am. But sometimes like irritation some other works, so uh, we not interested to talk with someone.
Okay, okay. Sometime it happens. We find with different people, they have a completely different mindset, right?
Yeah.
So, no problem. But if you are definitely connecting, if you are skipping 1 or 2 days, that is absolutely fine. Make sure that you are into this
Yeah.
language. Yes,
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am. I think patience is also most important.
of course. It's still imperative. And
Yeah,
what about other tasks? Are you doing that also? I mean, apart from speaking.
yeah. Apart from speaking, so reading as well, it's a common. So uh, reading and listening, not, like not other content, just listen and reading my academic related content.
Mhm. Okay, academic related. Mhm.
Yeah, like
Yes, yes.
my subject. Yeah, academic related. I listen um, and reading. So it's do two activities, and apart from, so I think I decided to learn grammar, but I don't have that much time. So yeah, basic grammar is also most important. So we do a lot of grammatical mistakes. So, but now I don't have that much problem. So in we are preparing competitive exams like big syllabus. So I think a lot of different chapters and very big syllabus in who are completed their master. So now pattern examination pattern also they are not asking easy questions, they asking very depth questions, like 360 degrees they ask. So we prepare 360 degrees. So
Hmm.
that's why I'm not interested to learning grammar and like other English improving activities. So just I try to connect with at least one or two persons in a day to speaking, especially speaking practice.
Hmm. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. So, for grammar also you can do, you can start as you are talking about basic grammar. So you can start completing this topic because I'm also doing it. So just take out 30 minute or 15 minute. I think 30 minutes are enough, and just start grammar topic wise from basic. Like you can start from noun or you can start from tense, anything. If tense is clear, I think you should start from noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, everything you can do it.
Yeah, yeah,
There
yes
are so
ma'am, yes.
right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yes ma'am. And how is your channel going on? And you upload videos on daily basis or sometimes you also miss?
From last month actually, I am uploading videos every single day. I try my best not to skip, but still, everything is unpredictable. So when you have some spontaneous tasks and some spontaneous activities, then only you have to do. But from last 1 month, I'm just uploading videos every single day. I'm connecting with people, and I am trying to be consistent as much as I can.
I think you are really great, ma'am. I think you are on. I think your education and English, and you maintain all the things. So I think you have more. I think you are more patience person. I think you have a lot of patience.
But actually, we don't have any option for that. We have to just be consistent. Whether you're getting results, sometime it happens because if I also feel that I need to work more on grammar, I'm making this mistake, I'm lacking in this topic. So what I do, I just start learning that topic. Nowadays I'm just working on preposition and conjunctions again. Like I know I have completed these earlier, but now I feel that I need to revise again. Then just doing revision.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I think revision is most important. We learn in school days lot of grammar, but now we don't remember. Revision is most important. We take any academic background also. I think we do any activity revision is most important.
Hmm. Exactly. Okay, so I want to ask you something. You have to answer that. Okay, this is very normal thing. So, what was the last event that you have attended?
I think what type of event?
Sorry,
What type of event?
any kind of it can be any party, it can be any function, it can be anything. That was the last that you have attended.
I think last just I think now is April. Last I think March I attended one wedding party. My friends.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Last I think just 30 days back I attend my friend's wedding party.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
You can also
And
elaborate about that. You can also describe
yeah,
that.
yeah. Sure, sure, ma'am. But I am not interested to going wedding parties because they are all are asking what you do. You doing any job or not? They asking. So that time I feel like uncomfortable. So I am not going go to any like wedding like parties. So just. I'm not interested to go to my home also because we with our friends they're getting job so early, so they now earning money like they're doing job. But someone asking to relatives asking what you doing, so we feel some uncomfortable. So I'm not go to like functions.
Okay. That's the problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Every yeah.
But
Hmm.
we are preparing like competitive exams, but we don't go to like parties and like we don't waste time because
Hello, hello. Are you getting call?
yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am. I think Airtel is calling. I cut the call
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
because they're calling my pack validity is today completed. That's why they are calling.
Okay, okay, okay. So you hanged up, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Yes.
Okay,
So where?
you
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. You edited this. You cut these spots, man. Sometimes happen. You upload your channel.
Are you getting call again, or do you want to pick up that?
No, 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 ma'am. I think it takes some time.
Mm-hmm. It
Yes.
happens. And really, it is so irritating when we are in session or when we are in class and somebody calls that time.
Yeah, 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 yes, ma'am. Because uh, we connect with online, so internet. So this is the common problems.
Mm-hmm. Exactly, that happens. Yes. So
Yeah,
you are prepared. You are sorry. What are you doing in studies? Can you make me remind? I mean, are you preparing for any particular exam or something
yeah, yeah,
else?
yes, ma'am. I am preparing NTA uses in it for JRF.
Okay, okay, right. So how many hours are you devoting for that? I mean, you have to give your exam in December or in
Yeah,
June.
yeah. June, ma'am. I am preparing now June.
Preparing for June exam. So how many hours are you devoting for your studies?
I think 6 to 5 to 6 hours for reading.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. But I gave most time to listening. So I purchased some online lectures for paper one. So I watch the lecture series now.
Okay, okay. You are taking online sessions. I mean, you are
Yeah, yeah,
studying
yeah,
on
yeah,
hmm,
yeah, yes. But they are not live session. They I think they already recorded and
recorded session. Okay. So in recorded session, how can you ask your doubt? Because in live session, we have this. Yeah.
yes, ma'am. But you have any doubts? What they told you write on any paper. So we gave some time. We gave week 1 day for 30 to 1 hour time. They interact with one-to-one session. So you have any doubts? To tell to tutors. They explain our doubts.
Okay. Yeah, that is fine because when we study, definitely a lot of question arise in our mind, and we
Yeah,
need someone to solve our queries who can solve our doubts.
yeah, ma'am.
But
But nowadays we can any crack any like competitive exams. Mentorship is main important, man. We have definitely we have good guide and mentor. Mentor is most important.
mm,
Who are achieve UPSC like competitive also. You ask to what is the reason to achieve this job. They say only mentorship.
mm, okay. Yes, so I think this 5 to 6 hours is a good number if you completely devote yourself, indulge yourself in
Yeah,
studying.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
yeah. Hmm. And apart from that, you just have to do study. And apart from that, if you have 1 or 2 hour, definitely you can practice your English. So yeah, you can manage your time. I think in summertime already we have a big days. What I feel, so we can do a number of tasks in a one day,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yes, 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 ma'am.
Okay, okay. So I have actually some work after 10 minutes. I have to leave somewhere. So we'll definitely connect any another day, right? So thank you so much for connecting and have a good day. Enjoy your
Yeah,
day.
yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.